Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Steven Spencer, and today we got a very special unboxing video. This is for Don't Eat the Gum. Now this is a subscription box that you can order from Facebook, and it's run through a company called Kevin Kennedy, and he customizes and puts these boxes together. So if y'all definitely need to check out Don't Eat the Gum. So let's get right into opening up my Don't Eat the Gum box. Okay, let me get my knife. Okay, I'm almost on it. Okay, we got the box open. I'm not gonna peek, but whenever you look in the box, this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so the first item, we have the lovely wrapping paper. The first item that I pulled out of this box, oh my gosh, we have a Puppet Master Trick or Treat mask. Wow. I didn't expect to get something like that. The next items we have in the box, we have, oh my gosh, we have a face mask. It is a creepy clown mask. Oh my god, I love this. The next item we have in the box, we have a poster here. I have no idea what print this is, but we are about to find out. Oh my god, it's Michael Myers. Oh my god, I love this print. I love that, and it's signed by the artist Mike Skaggs down here. That's pretty awesome right there. And then we have another item in this box. I'm assuming that this is the picture frame. Oh my god, we got a Terrifier frame. Oh my god, I love this. I love Terrifier. Oh my god, I love that. And we got a goodie bag here that's got some stuff in it. It's decorated with blood. Oh my god. Let's get in, let's just dig right into this. Okay. Okay, we got some different cool stuff here. Let's see, we have a button here. We have a shining button. I hope y'all can see that. We have a Pennywise button. We have I Love New York Jason button. And we have a Texas Chainsaw Massacre button. We have a finger puppet. That's a zombie. We have some little figures here. I'm assuming that this is like a Batman gargoyle or something, and this is like a little one-eyed monster. We have a sticker here from Neon Horror. It looks like, I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it's some kind of sticker. We have a pumpkin cork sticker. I love that. We have some more stickers here. We have a Pennywise sticker. We have a Jack sticker from The Shining. We have another Jack sticker from The Shining. We have Just Do It Pennywise sticker. Another sticker of Pennywise. Another Shining sticker. Another Shining sticker of the Grady Twins. We have a Scream sticker, Ghostface. We have 2 Freddy Krueger stickers. We have another Freddy Krueger sticker. We have a skull sticker. And we have a Saw sticker. And this is that card that Mike Skaggs talked about. We have a Beavis and Butthead sticker. We have a Michael Myers Kill Fucking Everyone sticker. That's awesome as hell. We have a card here that's got Elvira on it. We have a Don't Eat the Gum logo sticker. Boxes are for horror fans sticker. We have 2 magnets here. The first magnet we have is a Pennywise magnet. The next magnet we have is a Beetlejuice magnet. And let me see if there's anything else in this box. There should be a card in this box. I would assume. Well, I guess that is everything in my $25 Don't Eat the Gum box. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me opening up this box. It was definitely worth the money I put into it. I'd say my money's worth is probably this mask right here, because it is Trick or Treat Studios exclusive. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me opening up my Don't Eat the Gum box, my $25 box. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more of these videos very soon. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Stay safe out there.